So today, I finally got some hands-on time with the new 2027 BMW R18, and I'll be honest, this thing is still one of the most visually striking cruisers out there. At first glance, BMW hasn't completely reinvented it, but you can see the refinements. That massive 1,802cc boxer engine is still the star of the show, and the way it sits exposed just screams classic engineering mixed with modern aggression. On the road, it's exactly what you expect from an R18, heavy, planted, and unapologetically old school in its riding feel. You're not throwing this into corners like a sport bike, but once you settle into that relaxed cruising pace, it feels incredibly stable and smooth. The torque delivery is where it really shines. You twist the throttle and it just pulls like a freight train from low RPMs, no drama, just pure mechanical confidence. Now, is it worth your money? That depends. If you want cutting-edge tech or lightweight agility, this isn't your bike. But if you're after presence, character, and that classic big cruiser experience with BMW build quality, it absolutely delivers. Overall, I'd say the R18 isn't trying to compete. It's just doing its own thing. And it does it really well.